Hi, good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome. Right, as you can see, it's not even getting that late. It's late afternoon. It's only about 10 to 4 in the afternoon, and it's already really dark outside, so I'm having to use my ring light. So I hope you don't mind, but just need to get some decent lighting of some sort. I will at some point invest in some other lighting. I just don't know what kind of lighting to get. I'm actually thinking about getting these ones I've seen other people on YouTube use. They're like these square light panels like that, and they sort of go quite high up, so I'm thinking I might need to get 2 of those, sort of have them at different angles so they point down, so they give me kind of like sort of bright studio lighting without no shadows, and it doesn't look too fake. I don't know, they look all right when I've seen other people use them, so I might get that. That might be a Christmas present to myself, but it's like nearly 200 quid for them, so it's one of those things I need to put money aside to get. But anyway, for now, we'll manage with the ring lights I've got here. So this afternoon I am going to be doing an unboxing, and it's something I came across probably about 3 weeks ago, and I was a bit slow in buying it. It was from Cult Beauty. So Cult Beauty is a website, it's an online beauty website. They do skincare and beauty products and sort of beauty tools and so forth, hair, skin, all that sort of thing. And they've created a starter kit. Now, I don't know if it's something they do regularly or is it just one sort of box they do and that's it. Unfortunately, I did check on the website this morning to see if it's still available, and it seems like they've sold out, but they are bringing more stock in soon. So that's what they've got on there. So they said stock coming in soon, so that's good. This is what it looks like. It costs £30. I don't know if you can see that yet. It costs £30, and it's just a stock of a range of products that they sell on Cult Beauty. So let me show it to you, because I've got some ideas of how I'm going to use this box. I'll tell you that first. So I'm either going to use this box as my 3,000 subscriber giveaway box, woohoo, or I'm just going to use bits and pieces from it for Christmas presents and to put into giveaways. I'm not quite sure, so it'll either be my giveaway box for my 3,000 subscriber, or I'll take elements of it and put in a giveaway. Not quite sure yet, but let's see how we get on. Right, okay, so when you open the box, yeah, you can see already what's inside the box already, can't you? So there is a card. So let's see what it says. So it says Cult Beauty Starter Kit, and it's worth over £100, it says. Leaving no stone unturned on our quest to discover the beauty world's latest and greatest, we trawl the globe to curate our incredible edit of products that truly deliver. Uniting 6 holy grail heroes, the Cult Beauty Starter Kit boasts an impressive collection of industry icons and burgeoning brands, so that you can find out what the hype is all about. So that's good. Okay, and then when you open it, you've got all the details of the products in there. Actually, this is good. I forgot how good this is, actually. Yeah, this is good. Right, okay, let's go through this. Yeah, I'm impressed. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. Okay, alright, let's go through this. So the first item, it's from Huda Beauty. So here we go. I'm not going to open it because it's all sealed. Yeah, it's all sealed, so I'm not going to open it. But I will put a picture of the product up on the screen so you can see what it looks like, because this is going to be either a Christmas present or it's going to be in a giveaway. So this is from Huda Beauty, and it's the Topaz Obsessions palette. It's 10 gram, and this is full size. So makeup artist, entrepreneur and social media sensation Huda Katam has created the beauty sphere's most wanted palette, uniting 9 shades of bronze, copper and toffee hued shadows to amplify eyes in an instant. These satin velvet and foil effect powders diffuse seamlessly for a soft focus finish. I actually was going to buy this product. It's just that I don't like Huda Beauty. She's one of the brands I'm not that keen on, because again, some of her ethics and some of the things she's done is just kind of shady, but she does produce good products. So I'm glad that it's in this kit. So it's definitely going to be given to somebody. But as I said, I'm not quite sure how much it costs, but I'll put all the details up on the screen above. So that's the first item in this box. Next, okay, this is a definitely an icon product. This is from NARS, and it's the Multiple Orgasm, 4 grams. So it's a brand that needs no introduction. NARS is found in every makeup bag you'd care to rummage through. A convenient does-it-all stick, this best-selling hue flatters every complexion, uniting the prettiest coral pink and gleaming golden tones to lend an ultra-subtle wash of creamy colour. So NARS have, years ago, they introduced a blush shade called Orgasm, and it literally was like the most favourite blush shade in the world for everybody. It really was. And then rather than sort of developing that idea and creating more iconic shades, NARS have just gone on to just create all kinds of things with the word orgasm in it. They've just really just gone mad with that whole theme. It's like Urban Decay have done with the whole naked palette thing. They just won't leave it alone. I can't take the product out of the box. Here we go. So it looks like that, and I think it's just a multi-purpose stick, so you can use it as a lip, cheek, whatever. So there it goes. I don't know if you're getting the full shade because it is dark. There we go, like that. So this colour, literally, it's just so popular, and you roll it up like that. Yep. So that's the other thing you get in the box, and again, this is not full size, but I will try and work out how much this product is worth. But again, NARS, Orgasm, say those words and people kind of wet their pants basically. They get very excited. Right, next. Right, this is from Charlotte Tilbury. So this is Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution Pillow Talk. What's that then? So from one of the world's most esteemed makeup artists, Charlotte Tilbury's what's that say? Eponymous range is the key to achieving a glamorous look, irresistibly cute, hot to mention, incredibly clutch bag compatible. This mini lipstick cloaks kisses with wearable rosy pink pigment. Right, so the colour is Matte Revolution. No, the colour is Pillow Talk. And again, that's another iconic shade I've heard about. Well, when they say mini, they're not joking. Look at the size of that. But I think Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks aren't cheap. They're not cheap at all. This couldn't get any smaller. Look at that. So that's what you get. I mean, you get enough. You'll do what you need to with that. It's not a shade for me, but I can see definitely on light, fair and medium tones, you'd love this colour. Look at that. Okay, there you go. So I can see why this box is sold out. It is iconic items in there. Next we've got, oh yes, well I can speak to this one. I can definitely attest to this one. So this is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, 30 milliliter. So this is harnessing Korean innovation. Glow Recipe puts the cute into game-changing skincare. An overnight treatment, this petal-toned gel gently loosens the bonds that bind dulling dead cells to skin surface to ensure you wake looking beautifully luminous. This is a glass jar. It's gorgeous presentation. That'll look really nice on a dressing table by itself, won't it? It looks gorgeous. And I know this product is good because I've received 2 or 3 samples of the product in various beauty boxes, sort of American beauty boxes, and it's a really nice sleeping mask, and I actually used it last night as well. So if I'm not using a face mask that night, I'll put on an all-night sleeping mask, and that is the one I must admit that I have been going to the most because it just feels really nice when you put it on, and my skin wakes up and I just look good when I wake up. I remember one morning I woke up and a friend of mine, she FaceTimed me, or I FaceTimed her, I can't remember which one it was. So I hadn't even brushed my teeth and washed my face yet. So we were chatting, and she was saying how good my face looked. And I literally hadn't even washed my face yet. It's because I had this mask on. And it does, your skin just looks good. It looks healthy, it looks clear, it looks glowing. And that's after a night of sleep. So that says something, doesn't it? Right, next. Okay, this is another iconic product as well. This is from The Ordinary. So this might not be an expensive product, but it is a iconic product because it is good. Hope you can see that properly. It's from The Ordinary, and it's a squalene cleanser, 50ml, and this is full size. So this is about £10, I think. So it's a high performance skincare without a prohibitive price tag. The Ordinary's ultra gentle balm to oil creation leaves skin makeup free and comfortable. This effortlessly melts away the day while maximizing moisture levels. So if I open that up for you, yeah, I'm trying to remember because I have got this upstairs. I've got two of these. It's about £9.90. That's the price that's kind of sitting in my head at the moment. So you've got full size there, and it's a really nice effective cleanser. Doesn't strip your skin, gets your makeup away straight away. I'm very much one for double cleansing, so using an oil cleanser and then going in with a normal foaming cleanser afterwards. This kind of does both jobs at the same time, so this is a really good product actually. It's one everyone should try out, and it's affordable. And finally, this is, I haven't tried this one before. This is from Pixie, and it's a Pixie retinol tonic, 100 milliliters. Pride of place in any bathroom cabinet. Pixie is a fixture in the rituals of savvy skinlectuals, laced with retinol and glycerine to help preserve the health of cells while minimizing risk of irritation. This toner works to stimulate, repair, and keep skin springy. So there you go, that's a good amount there as well, so you get to try the product out, so that's really cool as well. I must admit, I might, see, this is just it. I was thinking that I might keep this one, but I won't. I'll leave it in the box. So just to summarize what we've got, so just to summarize what we've got inside this box, so we've got what, 5 items? 6 items. We have this Pixie retinol tonic. Again, I will put the prices on the screen, or if they don't sell the price as it is, I'll work it out how much this size is worth. So we've got the Pixie retinol tonic. We've got this Glow Recipe watermelon sleeping mask, and honestly, this is so lovely. Really, really is lovely. It's that. We've got the Ordinary Squalene Cleanser. Again, I can say that this is a really great product. It's really good. We've got the Charlotte Tilbury Pillar Talk lipstick in here. Real miniature size, but you know what? At least you get to try it. You've got the NARS Orgasm Multiple product, which I'm assuming is like a lip tint and a cheek tint sort of thing. So you've got that in there. And finally, you've got the full-size Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions, which is, again, one of the most popular eyeshadow palettes out there. So there you go, and that's what you get inside this box. So as I said, this box, I'm either going to put this box as a giveaway for my 3,000 subscriber giveaway, or I'm going to put elements of it into my 3,000 subscriber. Haven't quite decided as yet, but there'll be products being seen inside that. So there you go. Look out for this on Cult Beauty. Again, I don't know if this is something they do regularly. I don't know if they do different boxes, but I saw this and I just thought that is such a great way of being introduced to some high-end iconic products. So just thought I'd let you know and share that out. So there you go. Let me know what you think. I think it's a great value box. I really do. I wish we could get, honestly, if we got a beauty box like this, I'd be happy. You know, £30, I'd be happy with that. It's the kind of things I like to, if I'm going to spend money, that's the kind of things I want inside my beauty box. You know what I mean? So there you go. Let me know what you think down below. Please don't forget to give me a like if you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? I'm giving you all of this today, red lipstick and all. Alright, just subscribe. If you press the little bell next to the subscribe button, that will ensure that you'll be notified of any future videos that I make. Alright, that's it. I'm going to leave you alone now. Thanks very much for watching. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.